unwind and chill this long weekend. This is the Chill Zone on All Hits 24.
Enjoy talaga paghanda ka. Ito ang Biyaheng Kamorkada. Biyaheng safe saya. Biyaheng Kamorkada. Ugaliing mag-travel light. Magdala lamang ng mga essentials, yung mga kinakailangan. Maiiwasan mo na ang mga maaaring excess baggage fees. Hindi ka pa mahihirapan na dali ng mga ito. Pag konti lang ang dalahin, mas enjoy ang biyahe. Handa pa more, enjoy pa more sa bawat Biyaheng Kamorkada. Biyaheng safe saya. Biyaheng Kamorkada, one with you in the observance of a more meaningful Holy Week. Ito ang ating MOR, My Only Radio.
Nothing but your favorite Filipino music.
Here we go.
PinoyRadio.com. Keep it where it's at.
Hey, Michigan, not everyone's following our hands-free driving law. Nope, not allowed. Need to stop that. No, Mom, hands-free. Hands-free. Not legal with the law. No. Put electronic devices down or you could get hit with major fines, even 24 hours of community service. Go hands-free. Just drive.
From one amazing tune to the other.
PinoyRadio.com.
Love Radio.
Araw-araw, regalo.
Araw-araw, diskwento.
Sa Shop Notada Optical.
Get 10, 20, and 50% discounts on selected eyewears.
Plus, may free t-shirt and other giveaways for every purchase.
Ground floor, CSI The City Mall, Viday, San Fernando Street.
At Shop Notada Optical, your vision is our prime concern.
Have your eyes checked. Avail of free computerized eye checkup at Shop Notada Optical.
See us, see better.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Music's gonna make you feel good. Love Radio. Music that makes you feel good. Love Radio.
Love your radio. Love your music. This is the best thing on your radio. My one and only.
90.5 Heart FM.
Sobrang malamok naman dito.
Kailangan na natin mag 4 o'clock habit.
Ano yun?
Hanapin natin at linisin ang mga pinamumugaran ng lamok.
Sige, i-drain natin yung alulod.
At itapon na rin natin yung mga gulong dyan sa
Bakit pala 4 o'clock?
Dahil magbibigay ito ng sapat na panahon bago maging aktibo yung mga lamok. Hindi tayo madadapuan ng lamok kapag walang mangingitlog na lamok. Mag 4 o'clock habit na.
Isang paalala mula sa Department of...
It's jump time!
Bakit ka maglilim sa trabaho? Ha?
Mag-aasawa na po ako, boss.
At sinong tangang babae naman na di tinuruan ng magulang ang gumusto sa'yo?
Anak niyo po.
Joke yun?
101.7 Your Love FM. Your Love FM.